Hi everyone, and welcome to our first question in our AWS Solution Architect Associate sample exam questions. Now this is question number 1 from the sample exams that you can find on the AWS site and download. There's 6 of them in total, and this one is around the service of Amazon Glacier. And the question is, Amazon Glacier is designed for, choose 2 of the following answers: A. Active database storage, B. Infrequently accessed data, C. Data archives, D. Frequently accessed data, or E. Cached session data. Now the thing to note with some of these AWS questions is there's often hints in the question. So if you knew nothing about Amazon Glacier, I still think you could probably work this question out. How? Well, what's a glacier? I mean, a glacier is a persistent body of dense ice that's constantly moving under its own weight. It forms where the accumulation of snow exceeds its ablation over many years, often centuries. Now that's a mouthful and it doesn't really mean much, but you get the general idea that a glacier is a very slow moving thing. And so is Amazon Glacier. So the hints in the question for you. All right, let's have a look at the explanation that I've come up with. Now this is from the AWS documentation, which you can readily find online. And this is what they say about Amazon Glacier. Amazon Glacier is a storage service optimized for infrequently used data, or cold data. Now, the infrequently used data is in red, which relates back to the question. As you can see, if you look back at the question, answer B is infrequently accessed data. Okay, the next point in my explanation is that the service provides durable and extremely low cost storage with security features for data archiving and backup. Again, relating back to the question, we can see that it is question C, or excuse me, answer C. The question, data archives. So B and C. And one other thing to note is that Amazon Glacier, you can store your data cost effectively for months, years, or even decades. Okay, that's not going to help us with the answer, but good to know. So that's a pretty simple question. This is sometimes the questions you get on the AWS exams. They're not all this simple, but these are the ones you really need to get right if you want to pass the exam. So our answer is B, infrequently accessed data, and C, data archives. If you want to understand more about Amazon Glacier, I think you probably need to if you're going to pass the exam. The best source of information is always the Amazon itself documentation. So there's the link on the screen for Amazon Glacier documentation, and I'll also give that link in any thread that this video is attached to. And the other good documentation, it's a PDF that you should download, and it's storage options in the AWS cloud. And it not only goes through Glacier, but gives you all the other storage options that are available in the AWS cloud. Okay, now this was an easy question. It's going to be the first one in a series of questions, and they're going to get harder, but like I said before, these are the questions that you need to nail. These are the questions that you need to get right if you have any chance of passing the AWS Solutions Architect exam, or for that matter, any AWS exam. I've seen this question come up countless times, so it's good to commit to memory. I hope you enjoyed this first sample question that we're going to go through, hopefully go through all the sample questions, firstly from the AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam, then we're going to move on to the DevOps and the sysadmin exams. I'm going to provide you with good explanations and further reading, and basically I'm going to try and help you pass the AWS certification exams. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep up to date with any videos that we release in the future, just subscribe to this channel and you'll receive a notification of any time we launch a new video. Alright, I hope to talk to you all soon. See ya.